Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package, so let's open up and see what's inside. And this travel iron, about the size of regular iron, kinda, in the box. Alright, here's some different languages saying household use only, even though it's a travel iron. Really? Alright, household. It's a weird way of phrasing it. Household use. Okay, let's see, we got instruction manual. Steam iron. You have this nice bag. Nice and soft. We have this cup. Measuring. We have base. Can't really touch it to anything. It just sits on the table or something. Counter. Is supposed to be the iron. No. There's the iron part. Then you can fill it up here. Put your water in, and you can turn it on. Different modes. It's good, very cheap though. This is plastic. The sticker is falling apart. Still falling apart. And that's it. I think it's all in one unit. Just turn it on, whatever's whatever you want. That's it. That is a travel iron. It's about to oh, you can twist. Maybe that's how you enable the steam. It's cord and then okay. This is to cool it down, I guess, maybe. Or it's just a stand. Okay. The size of my hand, front part, and the back part. You just plug into a standard 120. And that's it. If you're interested in the steam iron, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.